What are you doing? It's moving day. We have today and tomorrow to get everything out of the trailer that we want to keep down here. Hey, come on, guys. We are moving slow. The trailer is going to my sister's house. Todd and I started traveling in an RV 8 years ago with 7 of our 10 kids. One by one, they've flown the coop and started their own adventures. Now, after 3 years of fixing up a hurricane-damaged sailboat, we're ready to explore the world with our last 3 kiddos before they're gone too. Are you ready to do this, Liberty? Are you sad to be moving out of our trailer? It's been your home for years and years, huh?
Oh,
She's
no.
really sad. She started traveling in this trailer when she was 3. And we went home summers and things like that. But like, this has been her home for a really long time, huh? Abigail, on the other hand, is really fine with it. You're going to hurt yourself or the dog.
Come here, you or me.
Hey! We have got a ton of food storage things. This is not the pantry, this is the storage. And this is also more of it.
I'm hungry.
Todd got us up at 6 o'clock this morning.
It 7. It was 7.
It has been more than an hour since you woke us up.
It was 7.
Okay, it was early. And we have not had breakfast, and we're all kind of grumpy and tired.
I'm hungry.
And hungry.
No.
I'm not sure how we're going to do all of this. It's feeling a bit overwhelming.
This one's the dog brush. No, it's not.
We also have our supply of toilet paper for, you know, when the world loses its mind and we all go buy toilet paper at once. I think we need some caffeine and sugar.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
At least we have nervous energy if nothing else.
Food first.
Gift given me his chocolate fudge Pop-Tarts. Yum.
No,
Here you go,
we're doing-
Abigail.
Where am I? It's very cloudy today. Hopefully it doesn't rain.
Is there another one?
Nope.
That one stays?
This one.
I gotta go play.
Okay, start taking this stuff out and handing it.
Ow! 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 That was my toe.
That was?
That was my toe.
You need a new one?
Yeah, I think I
You
did.
can have mine.
Right up here is more stuff.
That's that little teeny food processor you wanted me to buy you.
Right, because it will work nice on the boat because it's a little teeny. And our case apparel,
All right, what's the plan?
we need food. So you can go to the storage unit and then run through McDonald's. So we have a queen size bed and we're not sure it's gonna work in the boat. It's kind of like a Sleep Number, but it's a different brand. So we're gonna see if it'll work.
My box, you know my box of stuff? I had to move it to the front because I knew something was going to be placed on it.
Right?
Because it had stuff that could get squished easy. It won't go in.
Squish and pull.
Don't set stuff on my box!
All right.
Not room for very much more stuff.
I think we should make another trip, dear.
We will.
I can go right on
Don't
top.
let my pillow touch the...
You can put your bed together right here and your pillows up here and just set any of your other little things on the end until we get something that they fit in.
Some belly rubs. Yeah, you like that, huh?
You're pretty tight, aren't you?
But at least I can put my knees up.
Yeah.
Come, princess!
Oh, good. We need to find a place for
For
that.
my bedroom.
You want to put it in your room?
Yeah.
What does she want to put in our room? Oh, that?
Oh, you can put it right here and we can hang stuff on
We
it.
could hang our coats.
Over
And
my engine room door. We're gonna take the only room I get for my stuff and we're gonna block
Your
it off.
room is like twice the size of anybody else's.
Yeah.
This could be your room.
It goes in here. There we go.
Yay.
And then we can hang our clothes. And what are they used for?
Socks, underwear.
Are we keeping this?
I don't know.
This is just garbage.
I would think it's garbage.
I think if Abigail gets more room on the top, I should get more room in the closet.
Okay. That would be a good place, actually. I like that.
Up here?
Right there. Let's go right in this spot. And this is for like the extra blanket. Vacuum and do the floor in here at this hallway because you don't want to be getting this in your bed. What are you doing, Gabe? Hello,
Waiting
Abigail.
for further light knowledge.
What are you doing?
Getting a rag so I can wash off the space above your closet.
And one of those long rolls. Okay, there should be another one of these too. Is the zipper on your
It's on
side?
an end. Oh, that bed's really tall in here. All right, just set that in the corner right there. I mean, it comes to right where we said at this drawer.
It's my fort. It just needs to be blown up.
At Liberty?
Yep.
Grab that from
Grab
Dad.
that, make sure that's tucked in as you go.
So you're gonna put the bed that way, or you're sleeping this way?
No, we're sleeping this direction.
Hi, camera.
Pumped up all the way. This is fine. Works just perfect. I can't sit up.
Nope.
You can't
I
do-
think if it was even a shorter mattress, you would be able to sit up.
No.
If we had
That's why
regular
I was
foam like they design it, with the whole thing being a mattress.
I was
The
gonna
whole
say
thing being a
that.
mattress is a really lot of wasted space.
Yes. For storage, yeah.
Hey Dad, at least if this is open and if it rains, you guys will be the first to know.
Like the plan is to put like storage spaces along
No.
the walls. All right, we gotta go make another load.
No,
Okay.
we don't.
All right, down we go.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Moving day.
Gotta be careful. It's not
All
working.
right, guys. What is this? Trip number 2 to the boat. We have made 2 trips to the storage unit. So now we're gonna take a whole bunch more stuff to the boat.
Hopefully, Dad will not wake us up at 6:55.
I bet you he does.
Probably.
Probably.
But
But
I need my beauty rest.
You do? I am hungry.
Anyways.
How about, are you guys hungry?
I'm starving.
I'm gonna be grumpy
We had
in the
to
morning.
steal Gabe's Pop-Tarts.
We didn't steal. He is generous and kind soul. Gabe, he let us have a Pop-Tart. So let's go get some dinner. Can we go get some dinner? We are not having pizza.
Chinese buffet?
I'm not sure, but we're gonna go get something to eat.
I'm just hoping something really yummy crosses the road at the right moment. Because roadkill's always the best. That's how tall it is.
And she's young and limber.
Perfect.
Anyway, it's time for bed.
I made sure all the hatches are closed.
Good.
Are my
The
window?
front hatch doesn't need to be.
Your window should be fine.
My window?
Your window should be fine.
Is it closed all the way?
Your windows?
Yes.
That doesn't mean they won't leak.
Yeah.
No, I don't
Hopefully
know.
not.
But go open the front doors on the front hatch.
Okay, I was gonna not do that because I wasn't sure if the wind was gonna blow it in or not, but we can open them up.
I'm only
It's
climbing
really
up.
warm. It's not raining yet. When it starts to rain, we can get up and
Supposed to
close.
start raining at 2 in the morning. But it's sprinkling early.
She's our look.
All right,
man.
go open the doors. Just leave the hatch closed, but open the doors.
You need to set an alarm for 2 for...
I think we'll hear the rain. We need to turn off the spreader lights. All right,
Okay, now-
off to bed.
I'm going to do what I meant to do when I was up here.
What were you going to do?
Hugs.
Oh,
Good night.
good night.
Look what I just found.
She's ready for bed.
Gabe's first night in the boat. We've got all the beds aboard. Everybody's clothes are here. It's supposed to pour rain tonight, like an inch, or by tomorrow. We're supposed to get an inch. Baptism by fire if everything leaks and all the beds are wet. What are we gonna do?
My bed's probably not going to get wet because I'm covered by Abigail.
Yeah, you're on the bottom. Kids' bedrooms look great, but the salon is a disaster and the kitchen's even worse, huh?
I organized my room
Yep, looks good.
better than all the beds in here.
And there's Abigail. Whoa!
My bed's done.
And your bed's done. So that's tonight. We will see you in the morning.
Bye.
Bye-bye. All right, first real night with the whole family on the boat. It went okay. It was supposed to pour rain last night, but it didn't. We're preparing for it to rain 3 inches over like 4 hours. It's gonna be intense. And we still have to get all of the stuff out of the trailer so that it is ready to go to Houston tomorrow. Right now, what we're trying to do is put stuff away here so that we've got empty totes to take back to the trailer. How'd you sleep last night?
I woke up multiple times. I had this one dream where I was gonna sit up and then I sat up in real life and bonked my head.
All right, so this is where I'm just piling things that are Todd's tools, and he can organize it later. This pile is getting smaller. I have to empty this tote, and there's another one the same size. All right, so what do you guys do with your cockpit pillows when it's gonna rain? Well, it takes up a lot of room. What have you been doing this morning?
Caulking in the rear hatch.
It drips and we don't want it to drip on our bed.
Right.
Rain, it's pouring rain. The girls opted to stay at the boat. And I'm kind of glad they did because there wasn't really anything for them to do. It was Todd and I going through stuff saying keep, get rid of, and they would have made that more complicated. Are we unloading all of this when we get there?
Just the important stuff, unless it's not raining and we have the time.
Gabriel has been an amazing help today. We could not have done this without him. He's the muscles. It's our first winter storm. We just moved aboard and everything is wet. Everything is leaking. We don't get these kind of rainstorms often, but more often in the winter. So this hatch is leaking. I don't know where, but one of these is dripping. Gabe's bed we have had to tear apart. And this is just a disaster. We have tried, you've watched us try over and over again to fix this. We've got leaks down this wall, leaks down this wall, leaks on this hatch. Honestly, I've already cried. Now I can just laugh, right? But Denali's happy. Aren't you happy, Denali? Yeah. Is your bed still dry?
Yep. As that I know of.
Is your bed still dry? Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's looking good. Are you working on it here? Are you done?
No.
Got a little bit more to do. The best of your bedroom?
Mess.
The mess.
You wanna see my bedroom?
Sure.
I'm packing right now.
This is my randomness in there too. And these are my cat masks. This is my dog, Denali's bed, my octopus, and my pillows. Move. This is parents' room. I have the iPad charger in here. So this is their bed sheet. They've had it for years. This is their bed. They've had it for years. These are their pillows. They've had them for years. And then there's tools on here because Dad's working. This is their whole room.
We have had this on in our homes since 1999. That's from our oldest son. Sometimes it's just important that you have these special things. Well, dinner is almost ready. The boat is rocking a ton with this wind. It's kind of like, wee! Okay, we made our last trip over here, like with must-have stuff, and our water line is to the edge, which means we have too much stuff, right? Because we don't want to have to raise the water line right off the bat. We are headed to Houston in the next couple hours. We gotta go get the trailer ready to go. Getting your charging system.
Yeah. Dad's gonna see if he can put the back seats up so that I don't have to be squashed in the middle of the whole drive.
Oh, that would be nice. All right, we should probably take the cake with us or give it to somebody. Won't be good when we get home. There is all that stuff has to be figured out.
Hey, Tammy.
Yes.
Have a good trip.
Thank you.
Be safe.
We will. We'll leave this front top hatch open, okay?
Okay.
Then if like we're even lower in the water, you can check and make sure something crazy is not happening.
You don't have through holes open, do you? You close
We'll
them?
close them.
Okay.
Yeah. So. All right.
I need
You think you're going swimming?
in hotel.
You never know.
We aren't staying in a hotel. We are staying at Aunt Becky's.
You don't know.
Okay, I don't know. So that's moving aboard. Next is finding a place for all of it, but we will leave that to the next video. Bye-bye. You ready to go?
Next or the next or the next or the next video.
Oh, that fruit probably better go with us, or it'll go bad.